Hi and welcome. I'm very glad to be here with our partner Capgemini and Max Luther. Hi Max, thanks for taking the time.
Thanks, Danny.
We're having a very great presentation here, thanks to your work. Would you be so kind and guide us through what we see here today?
Sure, of course. So what we are showing here at our booth is the product development process of this drone that you're seeing in the back. So from ideation via generative AI through process and product engineering, and now we are here at the manufacturing booth. So we are here producing a motor of the drone, which you see here. We have an automatic pre-assembly by the robot on this side, and on this side the worker is actually doing the final assembly, so assembling the propeller in this case.
Amazing. And what are you doing with the connector here in this use case?
So everything that you're seeing here, robotics or this PLC for example, everything, camera as well, everything is connected via Cybus Connectware. So we are getting the real-time data of the robot, using this to guide through the process, so some sort of SCADA system, SCADA logic in the background. We are triggering the camera to read the QR codes for the serial numbers, and we are also pushing data to ServiceNow because this is a cobot, and when you actually touch it, it halts, so we get an error. And when you're visiting the ServiceNow booth, you can see the error messages popping up.
So we have two robots here, one in ServiceNow, one here at your booth. Are those the only one? I heard there's another one in Valencia somewhere.
There's one in Cadiz as well, which we have also connected. We have also connected the one at the Dell booth, so plenty of data coming on the platform, yes.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Max, for your time.
No worries.